This eye-catching corner lot property blends classic character with city convenience. With a charming front porch, detailed brickwork, and mature trees, the curb appeal sets the tone for what you'll find inside. Step inside and you're greeted with original wood floors, tall ceilings, and stunning natural light that flows through the large windows. The living room is spacious yet cozy, with beautiful built-ins, vintage trim work, and an inviting fireplace that anchors the space. Off of the living room is a formal dining room that's ideal for hosting friends and family. The kitchen offers plenty of space and charm, with room to cook, gather, and make it your own. There's even a bonus breakfast nook or flex space to suit your needs. Upstairs, you'll find several generously sized bedrooms with deep closets, classic trim, and loads of character. The full bathroom retains its charm, and the full basement adds even more potential. Outside, enjoy a fully fenced yard with space for it all. The detached garage and alley access are huge bonuses, offering extra convenience and flexibility. Call Ed McCutcheon to make your vision come to life.